Restaurant here. Look at the decor. This is a beautiful restaurant. Moly! Congrats! Wow! Did you just win that?
Wow.
Holy crap-a-moly! What's up, y'all? It's John Master Lee and Lulu. All right, today we're checking out the Silverton. Now you might be wondering, why check out the Silverton? Right, we have so many options on the Vegas Strip. Well, I'm gonna tell you why. There's a couple things about this place that stand out, and I think it's worth checking out. By the way, this is their sports lounge, which is actually really nice. You're really close to the screen. It's not far away. The resolution, pretty good too. So first off, this place is just south of the Vegas Strip. Not too far south. But that's nice because it's actually away from the crowds. There's tons of parking out here. It's totally free, easy to get in and out of, especially coming from Los Angeles, right? Which is on the I-15. So that's one plus. And the second reason is that they have a couple of unique attractions here that they don't have anywhere else. Yeah, so even in Vegas, there's something unique about this place. One of the unique things is that they have a massive aquarium here, which we're going to be checking out pretty soon. And during the day, you're going to be able to see mermaids swim in it. That's right. Mermaids Lulu, real mermaids, not the fake ones. And it's a really cool attraction.
They can breathe underneath the water.
I think they actually pipe in, like they have a tube or something like that with air pumped to them, so they can stay underwater for very long periods of time. And they swim around, they interact with guests. It's really cool. Like, you don't see that anywhere else in Las Vegas. And the third thing I think is worth visiting this place, you know, especially if you're tired of places where it's overpriced and the rooms aren't great. Well, this place has reasonably priced rooms that are recently completely renovated. Brand new looking rooms. I love the theme. It has a bit more of a rustic look, countryside look to it. So it's a little bit different than you normally see in a lot of Vegas hotels, which is maybe more like nondescript modern. Hey, this place is cool. I love the decor of this place. Look at that bike. I've always wanted a bike like that. That's so low. You can even climb on that.
But then I can't reach the hand.
That's true, that you can't reach the handlebars. Mi Casa. This is a Mexican restaurant here. Look at the decor. This is a beautiful restaurant. Huh? Probably one of the most beautiful decorations I've seen in a restaurant. So beautiful.
Maybe that's a real bear.
That's the happiest looking bear that I've ever seen. I'm not sure what this drawing's about. Pick your plate drawing. I'm not quite getting it. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, these are a couple reasons why it's worth coming down here. I will say, because it's down here off the strip, it's not actually even near anything. There's not like a strip mall nearby or a lot of restaurants nearby. So, I mean, that's one minus. That's something to keep in mind. But I will say that it's so convenient to drive around here that you're honestly not going to have any problems with that whatsoever. There's very rarely any traffic down in this neck of the woods. You ever notice that the carpet design in pretty much every casino is just totally wild? Like the kind of carpet you would never actually have at home. Hi there. What kind of restaurant is this?
Steakhouse.
It's a steakhouse. Oh, okay. Steakhouse. I know. It's beautiful, like the wall back there. What time do you all close? Oh, right now. Oh, okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
By the way, I was talking about that rustic theme. These are their cages. Huh? How rustic does that? Looks like a lodge. Actually, I think this place is actually called the Lodge. Whoa. Did you just win that?
Wow.
Holy crap-a-moly.
Congrats.
Don't tell anyone, take all that home. That's yours.
You know someone's gonna be there.
This girl just won almost $4,000. Oh, they have to make you sign something too. Oh, you know why? Because once you win a certain amount of money here, taxes. You gotta pay the taxes.
And you gotta give them tip too.
Hey baby, for you win $4,000, I'd give someone a tip. Did somebody just went over there too?
Wow. $1,139.
Really?
Uh-huh.
No way.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? We're literally witnessing two people winning this much money? Holy moly. Congrats. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at that cash camera. This is what happens when you get a jackpot, yo. It just keeps playing. The happiness keeps playing.
1,000.
What did she get here? It makes...
If it would have went up there,
Boom, you would have got 5,000.
got five.
Oh my goodness. She was this close to getting 5,000, girl.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you. I need it.
We all do. Take it. Go home now. Go home now. Holy moly. That is crazy.
So much.
We just witnessed two jackpots.
Maybe that could have been us.
We could
We
have,
were the luck.
maybe, okay, this guy's gonna win now too?
Okay, that means I need to play. If that
You
was
need to
happening.
play, baby. Look at this. They got like a whole Airstream in there. This design. Airstream Bowling. You know what it is? It's an actual Airstream, but I think they have a bowling alley inside. So they converted it and you could play bowling in there.
Oh, what?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too. What?
I think you have to rent it. Private.
Probably got to pay to play. By the way, let me know what you think of this video, like the quality of video. You might have noticed that up in my game here, we're shooting with a new camera. This is the DJI Pocket 3. And yes, baby, I bought it. And allows me to shoot in 4K. And right now I'm shooting in low light mode. So you should be able to see this, and it looks beautiful in this low light because I feel like at every casino, the lights are always just ding a little bit, which makes it kind of grainy if I shoot in most other cameras. So if you like this quality, let me know. What's that?
Fruit platters for $12.
Fruit platter for $12. Baby, that's Vegas prices. That's cheap even. That's cheap even. Okay, but how about this? This is a good deal. Late night special, steak and eggs for less than $10, yo. Y'all, steak for less than 10 bucks. That's a deal. That's a dealio.
With coffee?
That is a deal. How often do you get to see that? Although it is, it's a midnight special though.
Midnight.
So you have to be here from midnight to 7 a.m. for it. All right, now I'm gonna switch over to a different mode here. You let me know if you like the quality of this mode better, all right? Right now I'm shooting in 4K, 30 frames a second, what I call low light mode. All right, I just made a switch. Now I'm recording in 4K, 60 frames a second, but it's not low light mode. So let's see if it looks okay. It might be a little bit more grainy. Trade-off being that it's a little smoother as I walk around, which I think works really well with walking videos. Oh, by the way, we should check out the front desk. This is our front desk over here. Remember what I said, they have like a lodge feel, like a rustic lodge feel? Look at this place, huh? Pretty nice, huh? I love this decor, baby. If I ever have a log cabin one day, I would go with this design. Like I said, inside of here, they got the old school slot machines. Now this is pretty crazy, right? Middle Wednesday night, and the table games here are on fire. I mean, there weren't many people out playing most other games, but man, the table games here, look at that. Ah, there's the mermaid, y'all. Okay, Lita, let's check it out here. It's like Mermaid Cafe over here. Mermaid theme is strong. Look at the size of this aquarium. You can rent seats here, I guess. Let's sit here and watch the fish and the mermaid tank. Wow. This aquarium is huge.
This is where you're gonna see that? Wow.
Just to give you a sense how big this fish is.
Oh my god, look at that.
The size of this fish is bigger. It's like half the size of Lunette.
Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't know this. This place is connected right next door to the Bass Pro Shop, which is huge, by the way. I know it's a shop, but it also feels like a giant entertainment park in of itself. I mean, look at this. They got waterfalls. Who builds a waterfall? 3 to 4 waterfalls in a shop. Wow, this is unreal. Pretty cool, huh? Look at this aquarium. It's just unreal. That's a stingray right there.
He's smiling. He has a smiling face. Oh my god, I'm really like close to the fish.
Yeah, that's the one thing that's cool. You can get really, really close to this aquarium. This place is pretty cool, huh? All right, we're definitely gonna come back later to catch the Mermaids, which is only, the show's on during the day. It's on for a long period of time, but every day there's a show.